Hey guys, it's me Appu back from APPUS world. Today I am going to show an unboxing video about Kenstar cooler. You can see from the picture it is a cooler. We have 7-inch blower for powerful air, 4-way air reflection, something I can read it, top loading ice chamber, honeycomb cooling, yes, that is also good, easy mobility, low water level alarm, multi-function remote, electronic control panel, timers, everything is there. You can see the price here. Let me zoom out this or take out the tripod cover. Okay, 8,490. So let's do the unboxing video of this. So let's get started. Okay guys, I got my utility cutter here. Look at this. Let me cut this. Okay guys, I set my tripod here so you guys can see this thing. So first of all, let's take this thing out of this to open and see what is inside this. This is a rock. Let me take out this. And if you are hoping I didn't wear a mask, I have a mask. And I forgot to do the intro. And I don't have the intro too, so it's good. So it's open, or it's open. So you can see what is inside here. What is this? An owner's manual tower series. Keep it here. We need this thermocol packaging, which is good. Right. The thing is here. Let's take it out. Does it have anything to take here? So I need to pull it out from my arm. So I will pull it out and see it too, guys. Okay guys, this is the thing. I got the help. So let's open this and see what is inside it. Okay. You can see a cover right here. Okay, this is the cover, and I can open that cover. It's having a string here. Do something like that. I don't know about that. Ooh, notice a watch. I don't know that about it. And I saw this. Oh, free batteries, Panasonics. Okay, it's good. AAA batteries. 4 wheels. It is also good. And a remote. Oh, for that they gave us battery, not for free. So let me open that remote. Okay, it is open. Let me open that battery too for keeping it. Not for retail sale. Okay, done guys. Okay guys, if you have one, keep it here. Not for retail to sale. Okay, let me take my knife. It is not like that kind of stuff. It is so hard to open, so I need to take my Mr. Utility knife. He is always there for helping me. Okay. Tear it. Tear this too. Okay, I can see this. Taking. Okay, put this as the thing you can see. Okay, it's there. My utility knife says it want to go down. I said no, don't go. So connected. Okay, it's connected. Okay, we can see a light beeping, so it means it's connected, right? If it is not, I don't know. So we have 220 watt this good for us. In India, 220 watt is only there. In America, we can see 220 and 120 watt. It is also good, but 220 is more powerful than 120. I don't know that thing. But this is the plug. Let me connect it somewhere. Okay, I think there is the thing. I need to move this thing a little bit. Yes, this is the power cord. I have a power plug here. Okay, it's connected. Okay, light came here and here. First of all, I don't know what to do. So, guys, let me take that instruction manual kind and read it what to do. So I will see you after reading. Okay guys, by reading the instruction, I know now how to fill water. Okay, let's open this. You can see the honeycomb thing. Don't touch it, I am not touching it with the other one. Then take a bucket I have here. Cup too. There is a bucket, there should be a cup. Pour the water down the inlet. Make it is good. Let me put it like that. Okay, it is filling. I will say to you after filling the update.